Welcome back, tech aficionados, to another episode of Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of data storage and convenience with the SABRENT dual-bay external hard drive docking station. Stick around because this nifty gadget might just change the way you handle your hard drives. If you've ever wrestled with the hassle of assembling hard drive enclosures, you're in for a treat today. The SABRENT dual-bay external hard drive docking station simplifies the way you access and manage your desktop or laptop hard drives. Let's uncover the magic behind this device. First things first, compatibility is crucial. This docking station supports standard desktop 2.5 and 3.5 inches SATA hard drives or SSDs. Plus, it can handle hard drives up to a whopping 20 terabytes or more. Say goodbye to limitations. Ease of use is a game-changer here. The SABRENT docking station is a true plug-and-play solution. No drivers, no complicated setups, simply plug in your hard drive, and you're good to go. It's a breath of fresh air for anyone tired of tech headaches. Need speed? This docking station has you covered. With USB 3.0 connectivity, you can enjoy lightning-fast data transfer speeds of up to 5 gigabits per second. That's faster than you can say, data migration. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The SABRENT docking station supports offline cloning at speeds of up to 60 megabits per second. That means you can easily duplicate the contents of one hard drive onto another, no computer needed. In conclusion, the SABRENT dual-bay external hard drive docking station is a versatile, user-friendly, and lightning-fast solution for managing your hard drives. Whether you're an IT professional, a data enthusiast, or just someone looking to simplify their tech life, this docking station is worth considering. Thanks for joining us today on Product Critique. If you're interested in adding this handy gadget to your tech arsenal, check out the links in the video description below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful, and be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more exciting product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, tech explorers, stay connected, stay efficient, and keep those hard drives organized with the SABRENT dual-bay external hard drive docking station. See you on the next tech adventure right here on Product Critique.